Hello guys, here is Mrs. Fedia Jean-Baptiste, your math teacher, and this video is especially for the 7th graders to watch. And today we will be learning about a new concept called order of operations. Order of operation, what is it? How is it useful in our learning? What happens if you see a long string of mathematical calculation to perform? Is there some way to know where to begin? Of course, yes. You can use a rule called order of operations. This rule tells you in what order you should do calculations in a long string. There is even a simple word that can help you remember the order of operations, and this word is the word PEMDAS. What is PEMDAS? PEMDAS stands for parentheses, which is the P. The E stands for exponents, the second letter of our word PEMDAS. And we have M, that stands for multiplication, and D for division. A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. For example, if we have this string of operation to solve, 20 minus 5 times 2 plus 36 divided by 3 raised to the second power, or you can say 3 exponent 2, or you can say 3 squared, minus parenthesis 9 minus 2 close parenthesis equal what? We don't know. Okay, just to begin, we have to go back to our word PEMDAS. You can solve this problem using order of operations. Remember PEMDAS. Okay? Step 1. Before we solve the problem, we go to step 1. Following PEMDAS, we start with letter P, that stands for parentheses. Let's look for the operation inside parentheses. Oh, there it is. It's 9 minus 2. So I write down the problem inside the parentheses, which is 9 minus 2, and the answer is 7. As you can see, my problem become shorter than before. It's shorter than before because in the first I had 9 minus 2, now I only have 7. It becomes shorter. Let's go for the second step. Second letter, it's E. Second step, exponent. Let's go back to the problem and see if we have any problem with exponent. There is it. It's 3 exponent 2. I write 3 exponent 2, which is equal to 9. And my problem becomes simpler. It's 20 minus 5 times 2 plus 36 divided by 9 minus 7. We still don't know the answer. And the third step is multiplication and division. That might happen, guys. We have a division problem first or the multiplication problem. Anyway, we have to solve from left to right. In this case, we have the multiplication problem first and the division problem comes after. It's not a problem. We solve from left to right. This is the multiplication problem. We solve it first because we find it first. 5 times 2 is 10. We're not gonna add nor subtract. We solve the division problem next because the rule says multiplication and division. 36 divided by 9 is 4. This is my new problem. The new problem is 20 minus this 10 plus this 4 minus 7. We still don't know the answer because we're not done solving the problem. Let's go for the last step. The last step is addition and subtraction. The reason why they put them together is because we might find the subtraction problem first or the addition problem first. In any way, we solve from left to right. In that case, we have the subtraction problem first. We solve it first. 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10 is 10 again. The second problem is 10 plus 4. I put it there, 10 plus 4, which is equal to 14. Minus 14. And the whole string gives 7. Let's go back to our problem. That long string here we had becomes that, sorry, letter 7. This is the answer for the long string we had before. Here, for instance, we have some example to try. Oops. We have 5 minus 2 parenthesis plus 6 minus 4 minus parenthesis 3 minus 1. What do we do first? Remember our word PEMDAS. PEMDAS says that we have to start with the operations inside a parenthesis. First of all, we have 5 minus 2. The answer is 3. And after that, we have plus. What? The answer inside parentheses here is 6 minus 4. The answer is 2. Minus 3 minus 1 is 2 again. Now from left to right, we have 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Let's go for this one. Remember PEMDAS. Never forget about PEMDAS because PEMDAS helps us how to solve a long string of operation. P stands for parentheses. Remember, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. I write 4 here. And after that, we have the multiplication sign times 7. Times 7. 4 times 7 minus 4 raised to the second power. And we are not done with the problem. 4 times 7 minus 4 raised to the second power after p. Let's go back to this word, PEMDAS. After p here, we have to deal with the exponents. Let's go back to the problem now. Here we have 4 raised to the second power. This is equal to 4 times 7 minus, what is 4 raised to the second power? Is 4 times 4, and the answer is 16. And the final answer is 4 times 7 is 28 minus 16. What is 28 minus 16? The answer is 12. And any question you have, please ask. Here we have some homework. You will be using your math textbook, the McGraw-Hill one, and you will have to complete page 89, number 1 to 12. I will be posting it too on Edmodo. Please complete and then turn in homework. You have to turn your assignment. Thank you. That was Miss Vidya for you. I will see you next time for a next video.